Annyeonghaseyo! I'm Angelica, your Sansang name for this lesson. Today, I will teach you how to read, write, and pronounce Korean alphabets, or also called Hangul. I will introduce to you the Korean vowels wherein you will learn how to pronounce it. A, A, E, 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 I, O, 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 U, U, That's it. Those are the first set of Korean vowels. Next, I will present to you the second set of vowels. Ya, ya, ye, 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 yo, 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 you.
The first diphthong is the combination of U and I, pronounced as 의. Again, 의. The next one is the combination of O and I, pronounced as we. Again, we. Just like the word wedding. The third one is the combination of O and A, pronounced as wa. Again, wa. Just like the word what. The fourth one is the combination of O and E, pronounced as we. Again, we, which means why in Korean. The fifth one is the combination of U and I, pronounced as we. Again, we, just like the word week. Next is the combination of U and O, pronounced as wo. Again, wo, just like the word water. Lastly is the combination of U and E, pronounced as we. Again, we, just like the word wedding. As you noticed, these three sounds the same, the we, and we, but you used it differently. We is a word in Korean which means but, except, and also outside. As I have said before, this we means why in Korean. Lastly, this we is used when writing English word in Korean, just like the name Wendy. It pronounced as Wendy.
Annyeonghaseyo! My name is Almar, your song name for this another lesson. Previously, my friend Angelica discusses about the Korean vowels. So now, let me first introduce you the Korean consonants. So here's the first set of Korean consonants. This is the first consonant. It somewhat sounds like B or P in English alphabet. It sounds like ba or pa. Ba or pa. Next, this consonant somewhat sounds like L or R in Korean alphabet. But there's no exact equivalent of that letter on the English alphabet. It sounds like la or ra. La or ra. Third, this consonant somewhat sounds like S or SH in English alphabets. It sounds like sa or sha. Sa or sha. This consonant somewhat sounds like D or T in English alphabet. It sounds like da or sometimes ta. Da, ta. Next, this consonant. It is also sounds like K and also G in English alphabet. It sounds like ka or ka. Ka or ka. This consonant exactly sounds like M in English alphabet. It sounds like ma. Next, this consonant somewhat sounds like J in English alphabet. It sounds like ja. This consonant somewhat sounds like CH in English. Example of that is cha. Then, we have this consonant. It sounds H in English alphabet, like ha. Lastly, this consonant somewhat sounds like N in English alphabets, like na. Here's the unique part of Korean consonants. We have what we call the double consonant. Example of this is the double P, double S, the double T, double K, and the last is the double J. Here are more Korean consonants. We have the soft P, the soft P, and the soft K. Lastly, this consonant has two functions. First, if it is placed as a first consonant in a syllable, it is a silent pronunciation. Next, if it is placed as a last consonant in a syllable, it is pronounced as NG. Example of this is a. Next, ang.
That's it. Those are the Korean vowels.
And Korean consonants.
For more videos and updates, subscribe now. Thank you very much.
Kamsahamnida.